Lecture 12: Using AI Ethically and Knowing Its Limits. Let me start with a question. Just because AI can do something, does that mean we should let it? notebooklm and other AI tools can summarize articles, answer questions, even draft essays. But what happens when we start leaning too much on them? Or worse, using them without thinking about where the answers come from? Today's lecture is all about being responsible. We'll talk about how to use AI ethically in your academic work and how to recognize its limits so you don't rely on it blindly. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand what ethical use of AI looks like in a college setting. Recognize the boundaries of what notebooklm can and cannot do. Make informed decisions when using AI to support, not replace your thinking. What does ethical use actually mean? Ethical AI use doesn't mean avoiding AI altogether. It means using it in a way that respects academic honesty, intellectual effort, and original thought. Here's what that looks like in practice. Don't copy answers word for word. If you ask notebooklm to summarize a text, use it as a guide, not your final paragraph. Cite your sources, even when AI helps you find them. If notebooklm pulls key points from a PDF you uploaded, you're still responsible for citing the original source, not the AI. Be transparent about how you used AI. If you used it to outline your essay or brainstorm ideas, that's okay, but don't pretend every sentence was written on your own if it was not. Understanding the limits of notebooklm. notebooklm is powerful, but it's not perfect. Here's what it cannot do. It doesn't understand meaning like a human. It finds patterns, not intent. It can miss sarcasm, misread tone, or oversimplify arguments. It can generate inaccurate or biased content. Even if a summary sounds confident, always double check the original source. Don't assume it's 100% correct. It's limited to what you upload. Unlike web-based AI tools, notebooklm doesn't pull from the internet. It works within the documents you have added. That's helpful for focused study, but you need to know when to look elsewhere. It won't replace your judgment. AI can help organize ideas or answer questions, but you're still responsible for deciding what's relevant, accurate, or meaningful. Why this matters? When students misuse AI by copying its output without thinking or citing, they're not just breaking rules, they're also robbing themselves of the chance to learn. The goal of using notebooklm is not to do less thinking, it's to think more clearly. Think of AI as a calculator. It can help, but it doesn't do the learning for you. AI is changing the way we learn, but how we use it is just as important as what it can do. notebooklm can be an incredible learning partner, but it's not a substitute for critical thinking, original writing, or ethical decision making. You are still the author of your work. Use AI as a tool, not a shortcut, and you will walk away smarter, not just faster.